Let it rhyme free, let it flow through me. Never know that life isn't a breeze, but it's okay. It could be hard text, it could be hard knocks. Let it just go, let it flow like the nitro. Let it flow like a volcano. When I explode, you know the Captain Insano has been unleashed. You have opened a can of worms that you're not ready to take court adjourned. Let it just be that, let it be known that I'm far from the norm. Bugging out the new route that I take. They don't know that this rumple shake will be the earthquake that takes their life away. The soul breeder, the feeder, the let it go. This is the insane ways to be this crazed out the maze, out this zenith. I feel this inside the labyrinth. I say what I meaneth. This is it, the quickness to witness, the fitness that be this. I don't rhyme that slow, but I let it in out the door for sure. You know that I'm wrong when I spit this. You know that I will be the quickest, wittiest, wicked witch of the wicked west of this. When I'm in the west of the Long Island, too long of an island got me nail filing. Now I'm not trying, like Yoda say. There is no try. You either do or you do not. There is nothing in between to be the have-not, to lose the sure shot of your dreams. The wildest one to be a dream fiend, lean, mean, cuisine queen on the scene. They see that Blur spits hot venom, heat the dragon, spit in hot flames, airy fire. You know that he will not retire. He prays to the Richard Pryor and the Chris Farley and the Kurt Cobain. When I lose my brain, I get the jumbles, the noodles. They're too oodle, the scruples. They've been loose too long to be in the psychosis. When the heart was beyond broken, it shattered down to the rain, to a new plane that I never see. That I know that I drain out the brain, then I refill it. This skillet I'm firing up, I'm plastering out every sure shot. When I get the new route that I'm on, I do the jumbles in my head, I do the numbers. This numerics got me feeling hysterics in the brain all the time. This mainframe, the membranes are too jumbled up. They're too scrambled like eggs. But it's okay, it doesn't matter. I scatter the thoughts that it pitted patterns that they go like the baby. I hear it when I got the eardrums in the 100%, the earlobes. You know I never abuse the ear. Like Adam Sandler said, I've been abused in the ear. I cannot see clear, so now no clarity. Won't you marry me? You can see the more the merrier, the bury me. The worrier, the blurrier, the scurrier, the ultimate ghostess with the hostess with the mostest. If I said it confused, I never lose to push fast through. Now I'm bruised, but it's okay. I'm a heart scorn, torn, I reborn myself. Now I'm out this style. I know that I'm a little baby taking baby steps. And when I rep to death, you know I'm in check. And to put myself out, there's a dog chilling in the car. He should be behind the driver, wheel driving real far, because dogs are loyal. They could teach us to not be caught up in the human coil. There's a woman with a nice butt. I see I shouldn't be looking, cause then I'm breaking my discipline. You know that the cookie's shookin', and she's on the phone. Yes, she's looking good. I won't videotape her cause I will not break the personality. We got the privacy. I won't be diminishing this to say that I'm losing my breath. I'm fresh to death cause I face the death. I face the reaper. Can't you see that the Jeep is creepers? Now I'm into this, taking the leap years, the leap years. I see out universal, beyond the solar system. We'll be flying cars soon. These drivers' cars will be gone, cause we're in the future. Like Nikola Tesla mixed with Da Vinci. Can't you see a futurist is in me? Wakening up, the spiritual awakening. You know that I'm shaking bacon. Now you know that there's no bacon no more. Kill the animals, diverse the unpuritan. Then you see the devolution, this pollutants that we keep on feeding to our youth. And then I'm sweating, I'm fogging up the glass. Let it just pass blast. The molasses got me moving fast on the cash. Cause it's in the human realm we need based on finance. It's based on money. You need money to have power. Even the Dalai Lama's got the coin. Can't you see the bitcoins to rejoice? The annoyed ways that I spit to just intertwine the being. Now I'm seeing onto extraterrestrials, feed celestial beings that I be manifesting in my reality. Now I'm telepathic communicating to the higher intelligences that helping me be making right and reinventing my realities to be kissed the Christmas. You get it with the Christmas. We need the presents to list this. When I lisp and get a Freudian slip, can't you see the pink slip is if?
That was the Berlin Philharmonic.
Peace out!
Performing the Adagio.
You've been blind!